Unlock your glow. Hairstyles and hair colors for enhanced skin fairness.
Welcome to our deep dive into the world of beauty. Today, we're going to talk about how your hairstyle and hair color can enhance the appearance of your skin's fairness. If you've ever wondered how to use your hair to complement and highlight your skin tone, you're in the right place.
Can hair color influence perception of skin tone?
Absolutely. Hair color greatly impacts the perception of your skin tone. Certain colors can create a contrast, making your skin appear lighter, while others can give you a warmer, more tanned look. For example, if you have a lighter skin tone, darker hair colors can create a stark contrast, emphasizing your skin's fairness.
Which hair colors enhance fair skin?
If you have fair skin and want to enhance its lightness, consider hair colors such as deep browns, jet black, or even rich auburn shades. These create a dramatic contrast against your skin, causing it to appear even fairer. Cool-toned shades of blonde, like platinum or icy blonde, can also work well, especially if you have pink undertones to your skin.
Can hairstyles impact the appearance of my skin?
Just like hair color, hairstyles can impact the perception of your skin tone. If you have a lighter complexion, hairstyles that frame your face, such as bob cuts, layers, or side-swept bangs, can draw attention to your skin, making it appear brighter and lighter. However, the key is to find a balance that suits you personally, since everyone's face shape and skin undertones are different.
What are some hairstyles that enhance skin fairness?
For fair skin, consider hairstyles that frame your face. Layered cuts, especially those that hit at the cheekbones or jawline, can enhance your facial features and make your skin stand out. Curtain bangs or side-swept bangs can also draw attention to your skin, making it appear fairer. If you prefer longer hair, long layers or face-framing highlights can create a similar effect. Your hair can be an incredible tool in enhancing your skin's fairness. From selecting the right hair color to picking the perfect hairstyle, you can greatly impact how your skin tone appears. Remember that everyone's beauty is unique, and these tips should serve as a guide to enhance your natural glow, not to alter it. So, go ahead, experiment with these ideas and unlock your glow.